Today we're going to discuss about the Power BI architecture. So the end goal of this session is we can understand how the information turned into beautiful dashboards, reports, and also we can understand each and every component of Power BI desktop, and we can compare each and every component of Power BI desktop with the tab, so that as a Tableau developer, you can easily relate with the components of Power BI. So let's start the session. So come first of all, the data source. As you know already, so we have a relational databases, source of data, the relational databases like the SQL, PostgreSQL, and the flat files like Excel and JSN. So once we are connecting these data source to the Power BI, so we have, as you know already, there is a two kind of options. One is direct query and imports. So direct query is just like the live connection in the Tableau, where we are pulling the data directly from the data sources. There is no intermediate layer in between. Whereas the import, it is there is an intermediate layer in between the data source and the Power BI desktop. It's just like an extract file connection in the Tableau. Now, once the data is loading into the Power BI desktop, we are doing some transformation on top of those data. So here the Power BI query. So Power BI query is responsible for the transformation like cleansing, shaping the data, and data modeling like relationship we are doing in the Tableau. It's it's a Power BI query. It's just like the Tableau prep tool in the Tableau, whereas Power Query it is embedded in the Power BI desktop. In the Tableau prep fail is separated from the Tableau desktop. Here, the Power Query is embedded into the Power BI desktop. So once we're getting the data, on top of that, we are doing the transformation. On top of that, we are building the reports. Once the dashboard is ready, we are publishing either Power BI service or Power BI report server. So what is a Power BI service? Power BI server service is just like the Tableau Cloud, Tableau Online. Now it rename it as a the Tableau earlier we can call it as a Tableau, and now we can call it as the Tableau Cloud. Recently it was changed. So if the organization prefer cloud one, we are go with the Power BI service. If organization prefers on premises, then we will go with the Tableau Power BI report server. So once we're publishing the dashboards and reports, each and every user have a licenses. So once they are logged with their credential, they can access their content based on they have permission and the authorization and authorization authenticity. So once dashboards and reports are published in the Tableau online, we are accessing the data like various web browsers. We just like Tableau online, we are accessing the data through various web browsers. Like here, we are using Chrome. So once we are accessing the various dashboards, they can view the data just like the Tableau online. This is all about it. Thank you for watching the session. Thank you.